A 22-year-old Indian student studying at the University of California, Berkeley has been found dead after being missing for several days. His name was Sakit Srinivasia, a postgraduate student from Karnataka. Sakit had completed his BTech in chemical engineering from IIT Madras before moving to the United States for higher studies. At UC Berkeley, he was enrolled in a master's program in chemical and biomolecular engineering. He was reported missing on 9 February. According to local authorities, he was last seen near the Berkeley campus area, close to Lake Anza in the Berkeley Hills, which is part of Tilden Regional Park. After he did not return, police launched a search operation in the surrounding hills and lake area. During the search, a key development came when his backpack was found near a residence. It contained his passport and laptop, which raised concern because international students normally carry these documents with themselves. After several days of search, police confirmed that his body was recovered from Lake Anza. Officials have not yet shared detailed information about the exact cause of his death, and the investigation is still ongoing. The Indian consulate in San Francisco said it is in touch with local authorities and Sakit's family and will assist with all formalities, including the repatriation of his mortal remains to India. Meanwhile, additional details have emerged from his roommate Baneet Singh, who spoke about Sakit's behavior in the days before he went missing. He said there were no obvious warning signs earlier, but in the last 2 weeks, Sakit had become less communicative and was eating very little, mostly snacks. He also appeared more withdrawn than usual. In what turned out to be their last conversation, Baneet saw Sakit returning from class wearing a bathrobe and asked him about it. Sakit replied that he had stopped caring and did not worry what others thought about him. At that time, the comment did not seem unusual, but after the incident, it has taken on greater significance. His roommate also recalled that Sakit had once invited him to visit Lake Anza, the same area where his body was later found. The incident has come as a shock to the Indian student community in the United States. It has also renewed discussions about the mental health and well-being of international students who often deal with academic pressure, isolation, and the challenges of living away from home. For now, authorities are continuing the investigation to establish the full sequence of events between his disappearance and the recovery of his body. For now, this remains a developing story and more details are expected in the coming days.